Model, 2015 Citroën Berlingo L2 Diesel 1.6 HDi 725kg Factory Crew Van 5-seater, non-runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 134,017. MOT, 31 August 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 DUTED. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, timing belt has snapped. Engine will need repairing, worth spending the time to get this beauty back on the road. OK hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,425. Click the link in the description.